Hi guys, I'm a live musician and during my performances I use two Novation Launchpads alongside Ableton Live. One thing always bothered me. Whenever I wanted to move to the next group of scenes, I had to press the up or down buttons on both Launchpads at the same time. That meant taking one hand off each controller just to keep both session rings synchronized. It worked, but it never felt natural during a live performance. So I decided to solve this problem by creating my own custom Ableton Live Remote Script called Launchpad Duo Sync. This lightweight script synchronizes the vertical session navigation between two launchpads while keeping their horizontal navigation completely independent. For example, my Launchpad X controls tracks 1 through 8, while my Launchpad Mini MK3 controls tracks 10 through 17. Now, whenever I press the up or down button on either Launchpad, both session rings move together automatically. The scene jump size is configurable. You can choose to move one scene, 8 scenes, 9 scenes, or any value you prefer. The script is also fully configurable. For example, you can choose how many scenes to jump with each button press, enable or disable horizontal lock, adjust controller offsets, and customize the behavior to match your own live performance workflow. Installation is also simple. Just copy the Launchpad Duo Sync folder into your Ableton user library under Remote Scripts, restart Ableton Live, and add Launchpad Duo Sync as a new control surface in Ableton's MIDI preferences. Keep your original Novation Launchpad control surfaces also enabled. That's it. I created this project for my own live performances, but I hope it can help other musicians who perform with multiple launchpads as well. The project is completely open source, so if you have any ideas for improvements, find a bug or what contribute, feel free to join the project on GitHub. You will find the repository link in the video description. Thanks for watching and enjoy your performances.